Hi guys, let's go. Go to the Microsoft Store. Click on the search bar and search WhatsApp. Click on Get and wait till the installation. In this time, don't forget to give us a like. Now you have successfully installed WhatsApp for your desktop. Now click on Open. You can set up your WhatsApp into methods. One is with your phone number and the other one is with the QR code. If you want to do first one, just click on link with phone number and then select your country and enter your phone number. If you want to do second one, click on link with QR code and then go to your mobile WhatsApp. Click on link devices and then scan the QR code. Now you have successfully completed the process. For more videos, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.